What happens after machine learning is predictive modeling. So we can start to say, if our trend is going this way, if our economy is headed this way, and we cut it off at today right here, what's the economy likely to do tomorrow? Well, there's a trend there, right? That's a very simple linear trend. And most often things aren't that simple, but predictive modeling says, given what's happened in the last several days or the last period, the data that we have, what do we think will happen tomorrow? What's the probability that something will occur? And even machine learning, you'll see, is all about probability. What this really comes down to is, what are the odds? That's it. And it's kind of crazy, but you can make a very lucrative career if you're good at answering that question. What are the odds? Data visualization is another way that we take a look at data, and visually, I can look at a million data points if they're in a picture, right? A picture's worth 1,000 words. That's actually true in data science, because I can look at, if you create a visual representation of a million points of data, and I can look at that and see how it's shaped and which points are next to each other. Like, I can see something with my eyes that if you just showed me a million points of data, X and Y coordinates or something like that, I can't see that. I can't see the pattern. My brain doesn't have the ability to comprehend that. But my right brain can look at that data and tell my left brain how to make sense of it. And that's really something that is unique about data visualization, is it allows us to comprehend things about data that you can't just by looking at the data. Unless you've got some kind of crazy photographic memory or something, but God bless you, you'll do well in life if you can do that. But I don't. I need a picture. And then the last idea, you're going to hear this a lot, is big data. Big data um, is simply referring to the large quantities of data that we are producing and ingesting. Our world is producing so much data we don't even know what to do with it. But if we can make sense of that world using that data in some way, then that's sort of what data science is all about. It's taking that big data, taking that million lines of data and saying, what are the odds? What are the odds that something will happen or won't happen? Or what are the odds that if I show you this picture, you're going to click on it and buy that thing, right? So big data.